Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana directly into your Phantom wallet. It's a straightforward process that can save you time by skipping centralized exchanges. Before we get started, I need to say that this is not a financial advice. Crypto investments are risky and you could lose money. This method might not work for you because of varying payment provider availability or regional restrictions. Always do your own research before investing in cryptocurrency. I'm getting my information from stir.com and phantom.com. Now, here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy Solana directly in your Phantom wallet with a debit card. First, make sure you have a Phantom wallet installed on your device and that you're logged in. If you don't have it yet, head over to phantom.app to download and set it up. Second, in your Phantom wallet, find and click on the buy button, then select Solana or the $ and SOL from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of USD or in USD that you wish to spend on Solana. Select credit and debit card as your payment method. You'll see a list of payment providers like Coinbase Pay, Stripe, Robinhood, Unlimit, and Topper. Coinbase Pay is known for its user-friendly interface. Now choose your preferred payment method or payment provider and click the buy button to continue. You'll be directed to the Coinbase on ramp where you can purchase up to $500 of Solana per week using a debit card. Click buy with debit card. Now confirm the account of Solana you intend to purchase with your debit card, then click continue to payment. Next, enter your debit card details. Ensure you provide your correct mobile phone number as you'll need it to verify the transaction. Then click continue. Coinbase on-ramp will send an SMS text message containing a verification code to your phone. Enter the code. You'll be directed to the order summary page. Click Buy Now to submit your Solana purchase. The order submitted page will appear, indicating that the transaction typically takes a few minutes. Click View Details to track the transaction. The next page will display the amount of Solana you purchased and the current status of the transaction. Once the status changes to complete, the Solana will be automatically deposited in your Phantom wallet. You can also buy, sell, and trade SOL using centralized exchanges. And also ensure to double check the recipient's wallet address before sending. That's just a few additional information or reminder. And that's it. That's how you can buy Solana directly in your Phantom wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.